Hi, in the video I will show you how to fix iPhone problem when battery charging stops working. The problem is caused because the charging connector is dirty. The solution is very simple. It is easy to clean the connector. A common tool is suitable for this. I use a screwdriver with a very thin tip. Just the right size to fit into the connector and not damage it. I use the screwdriver to clean the connector. You can see that there was dirt in it. Now again, charging my iPhone smartphone works without a problem. Thanks for watching the video. Click subscribe for more great Apple videos.